Samsung just quietly dropped a pixel killer feature in One UI 8.5, and almost no one noticed. Samsung is testing a new One UI 8.5 beta for the Galaxy S25 series, and it gives us our very first real look at a brand new AI feature called Now Nudge. Now Nudge is Samsung's upcoming AI powered context aware assistant inspired by Google Pixel's Magic Q. It's expected to officially debut with the Galaxy S26 series, but Samsung may roll it out to older Galaxy devices through future updates. In simple terms, Now Nudge is a smarter, more powerful version of Smart Suggestions. It uses Galaxy AI to understand what you're doing and then suggests actions or information exactly when you need it, without you even asking. With the One UI 8.5 ZZA 7 beta, Samsung added a Now Nudge preview inside the Samsung Tips app, first spotted by Nirmalsri. The preview shows how the feature can assist users with real-time, relevant suggestions. Now, Nudge will also work closely with the Samsung keyboard. For example, if you're filling out a form, it can automatically suggest the right details. And it's not limited to web tasks. Even personal chats get smarter. Galaxy AI can suggest smart replies along with the most relevant action, making everyday conversations faster and easier. Right now, it's unclear if Samsung will fully enable Alonpernil. Now nudge in the upcoming One UI 8.5 beta updates for the Galaxy S25 series. If not, Samsung may be saving this feature for a big, dedicated reveal at the next Galaxy Unpacked event. What do you think? Is Now Nudge Samsung's biggest AI upgrade yet, or just catching up to Pixel? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like the video, and subscribe for more exclusive One UI 8.5 leaks, Galaxy AI updates, and Samsung hidden features you won't hear about anywhere else.